Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to fix this tire because this tire has a screw on it. You can see there's a screw, so we're gonna fix that with this one. You can see this is a tubeless tire repair kit. So first thing you will do is we're gonna remove this screw on the tire. So guys, let's remove this screw. Oops, it's really deep. Okay, so I removed the screw. So right now we're gonna use this thing. So we're gonna clean. So like that, we have to clean this twist like that. Twist it. So we need to clean it properly before we have to patch it with the with this one. We have to patch with this one, so we have to clean the surface first. Okay, okay, so now we have to put this one here. So I'm gonna show you how. Here you go guys, I just remove it from the plastic. So we're gonna put it right there. So I'm gonna use my pliers to put it there. So now guys, already put it on this handle. So we're gonna insert it in the hole. So we have to insert it there. Like that. It's too hard. So guys, you could see now I already inserted. So just like that. So when you insert like that long, so you have to pull this thing out. So right now I just pull it out, this thing from the hole, and now we have to cut this excess. Okay, thing up. So now right now we have to cut this thing up just like that. There you go. Oops, there you go. I already cut it. So now it's fixed, easy fix. So this is the tools that I use. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day to all of you. God bless you all.